Hi, I'm Christine Wheaton, and I'm a beauty expert, and I'm going to show you how to use essential oils in skin treatments. You can do this with tons of different essential oils like rose and lavender, but today I'm going to show you tea tree oil because it's a natural antibacterial which is great for breaking out or dry skin. So I'm going to take my normal cream and some tea tree oil, and I'm just going to put a little bit, only maybe 2 or 3 drops onto the cream. So you just put a little bit. And then I'm going to rub it together in my hands and apply it to the face. So like I said, tea tree oil is a great antibacterial. It helps with breakouts. It'll help with, not on your face, but on your body if you have any sort of wound or scrape. It's really good for that. So this is an easy way to kind of treat your skin by just adding a little bit to whatever product you're already using. And usually on the bottle it'll tell you how many drops is safe. I know different essential oils have different potencies. Lavender is really soothing, and rose has cleansing properties, and patchouli helps with anti-aging. So they all are good for something. So we just put this on lightly all over the face. The tea tree oil has a really great scent to it too. And then she can go to sleep and it can work its magic. So that's all you have to do. You just add a few drops to whatever product you're normally using and you'll be good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Christine Wheaton.